Here I have a simple part that I want to set up for an OP1 work coordinate system. So with my part open and my CAM tab selected, I need to start by creating a job. Good place for comments. In this case, my OP1 G54 is going to use Talon grips. Talon grips grab 60 thousandths worth of stock. I come down, my model is selected because my model is the only thing in the frame. The only time I would, since this is a simple model, that's as far as we're going to go. It's just my model in the frame. There's no work holding involved. My stock, I do need to define my stock. It's going to work for the facing toolpath and for when I simulate. Relative size box is the default. It's the actual size of your part. Since I'm going to cut this from 1x2 bar stock, I'm going to go with fixed size box. The X length is going to be 6.125. The Y stock is going to be 2 inches. And the thickness is going to be 1 inch. So there's representation of my stock. When I come down to my work coordinate system, right now my WCS is not aligned correctly. The X is backwards. So I need to change the way I define my work coordinate system. The stock and orientation isn't going to work for me. What I need is I'm going to grab the ZX, ZY, one of these two axes. Grab the ZX. I need to delete this front plane as my Z reference. And I'm going to grab a Z line in the part. So when I clicked on that edge, the Z went in the wrong direction. So I need to reverse the Z so it's pointing up. These are all the positive directions of the Z. All right, so cool. When just doing that one, the Z, my Z is now oriented properly. My Y is oriented positive and my X is oriented positive. So the genome, WCS, is oriented properly. It's just not in the right place. I want it over here on the corner of my stock for OP1. So what I'm going to do is come down now to the stock box point and choose one of my corners. Top corner 1? Nope. It's always the last one you choose. You ever notice that? Nope. I bet you I know where the next one. Let's go ahead and run straight to 4. Ah, you rascal. Boom. That's the one I want. So that is a simple method on a simple part to set my WCS. We come down. I'm not going to worry about the machine, and I'm not worrying about fixturing. Program name is your program number. Program comment is just that. It's your comment that's going to be at the top of the program. And this guy is a 7 1/4 inch Kurt jaw pre-grind. So it's oversized. I'm going to come down here in G54 is WCS1, and that is good. We need to green check.